And I found out that I have a dev meeting tomorrow and a whole bunch of other stuff going on tomorrow. So that's going to be fun of trying to balance what to do. What to do. I'm guessing we won't be able to put out this fire, which is fine. Let's see.
I feel better already. I definitely need more of that.
So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead. No one needs this. No. Is it X? Yeah, it's X. Along with this one. XX. That's going to probably lead to some very deadly consequences, but you know who's not going to do with it? Us.
That stuff really works.
You know what, actually... Oops, I forgot how to crouch. There we go. That's what to say. Don't throw out the donuts. Even though I can't eat donuts in real life anymore because I want abs, doesn't mean that I have a problem with donuts. Or people who eat donuts either.
That's the stuff.
Alright, so we got ways of making fire. No. No. Bad cowhead. Yeah. As everyone's now running with scissors. I think they think it's like the cool thing to do or something. Alright, well... Oh god. Oh god.
Go long!
Yeah, get Gary. Get. Oh god, that Gary has a shotgun. There we go. We hit Gary and a cat spawned. Oh god. Oh god. Yeah, we can't afford to die right now. I don't know if you know that, but just... It's probably taking us too much just to get into this hospital. Like, do you know how much it's going to be? Like, ambulance bill, medical bill, all that kind of stuff? You think I can afford that? I cannot. Why do you think I'm killing everybody? Because I'm not paying $1 of it. Their corpses can pay for my suffering. Not Cosmic Gary. Alright. Well,
I feel
you don't really have
better
to
already. So that's what that does.
Oh, we're dual wielding shotguns now. That's actually sick. So how does that work? Let's see. Okay, that's not how that works. See, that's why we save. And since we know what's coming, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get ourselves prepped. Let's see. Come on, get crazy bastard.
I suppose it would have been more politically correct.
Cool. You know what? That's fair. I respect the guy said. Oh shit. No. Alright. There we go. Get over here.
I definitely need
Now
more
here's
of that.
something going on. I don't know what's going on. Is it raining now? No, it can't be raining. It must be cleaning, because yeah, it's bright skies outside. So let's see what else we want. The shotgun I think was working. Why can't we do it? Where'd the little crazy Gary go? I want my dual wielding shotgun back. Got his ass. Gary should know not to mess with
more of
us.
that good stuff. That's the stuff.
There we go. Now we get the dual wield. And since we're doing well on health and we don't want to lose all of our progress again, we're going to save. See? This is why we save. Now hopefully we can continue dual wielding even after the Coca-Cola Meister wears off. The brewskis, as the young children of today. That's what I like to call them. Alright, let's see. If I spy with my little eye a problem. As you guys can tell, I don't have the capability of doing this rational way. There we go. Nicely done, me, I must say. Oh, there is a way. Okay, well, let's do that before we go too far down the rabbit hole, if you know what I mean.
Ooh, mommy.
Oh, umami? Like the food? I don't think I've ever had the umami, to be honest with you. Is it something I would try?
Definitely need more of that.
Maybe. Maybe I would try umami. I'm not entirely sure. I don't know what it's supposed to taste like, because I know... Or is it umai? Umi? I don't know. There's some kind of like... Whoa. Ew, man, water. Can't have liquid Jerry. So what I mean. There goes the cat. Alright, now that we lost all the health that we got from doing that, now we can progress to... Oh, it's already dead. Looks like a little rat. And I don't know about you guys, but I've seen rats in the subway from when I used to take the train, and yeah, I'd rather not deal with rats if I don't have to. They weren't massive or anything, and they didn't like run at you. I mean, rats are, I believe they're timid creatures. I could be wrong about that. Again, I'm not a rat expert. If you know a rat expert, go ahead and Jesus, okay, we don't have time to deal with you, Gary. Aqua Gary. There we go. What else are we... This one we're still basically full on, so... Let's go ahead. Let's munch up.
That stuff really works.
There we go. We got so much ammo right now. I don't even know what to do with it. Too bad the standard pistol is like not that satisfying to use. Come on. There we go. Only took about 2 clips, but we finally did it. Finally killed that stupid tornado cat. Let's see. Alright. Time to climb aboard. Okay, for a second I was worried.
I gotta find more of that good
Although,
stuff.
if they just healed me, something's definitely coming up. We're definitely gonna want to save. Don't want to get caught with our pants down. Or do we?
Now the flowers will grow. Oh, please, not the Garys again. Anything but the Garys.
I feel exactly what I mean. Also, why didn't Gary speak in terrorist? Oh, was that the strat the entire time?
That's the ticket.
Let's see what we got going on. Do we have... You know what? Let's keep the Magnum on.
I'm pretty sure I'm not seeing that.
You're not seeing that? Or are you definitely seeing that? There we go. I was hoping to get all 3 in one shot, but whatever. You know, sometimes it's not the easiest thing to do. That's... nothing else. Also, I don't know what this is. Is this still supposed to be like blood and organs, or is this supposed to be like some demonic shit that's going on? I mean, either way, it doesn't really change anything. I'm just more curious than anything else. So if you know, let me know, because I probably will tell myself I'll do research, and then I'll probably forget. We got this water level now. Huh.
Now I can see the music.
The music? I hear more cats. Yeah, leave me alone. You got another cat coming? Well, not anymore, that's for sure. Are we really full on ammo even after we use the scissors? Well, maybe let's keep the scissors out for a little bit. Because it looks like so far... Huh. There's a fire over here? Nope. Admitting. Admittance. Oh. We're gonna scissor these cats so bad. Got him. Oh, ho, ho, ho. You guys know one of my favorite weapons in the game. But let's not just focus on the favorites. Sometimes you gotta give the little delinquent child some attention too, you know?
There's my cache and the conveniently located power box.
Let's see.
Who'd have thought that would happen?
Let's just shutting off. Oh, I didn't even read that. Maybe I should have. Oh boy. So I guess something's gonna happen. And if I were to guess, that something doesn't seem that good. So let's just keep on going. Alright, so we're in Lower Paradise. More ammo, thank you. Let's see. I don't know exactly which way we're supposed to be going. I hear cats. I mean, that's what you get for just being stupid. Come on. You see me with a chainsaw, and you're going to try and kill me.
Already.
Well, you know, we have all this ammo. It's the weekend after all. I mean, we just went through a psychotic episode. There's no reasonable way I can explain us not just going down to the
I'd probably stop. Like, just go to the damn restaurant already.
Good. Let's see. I think our goal is to kill every single person we encounter today. Because so far we've been doing a good job of it. That's our goal. Because the game hasn't told us what we're supposed to do. So I'm just going to guess with the whole going postal thing, but that's our objective. Hustle. Hustle on. Hustle on. The House of Wong. But is it white or is it long? I don't know. I do know one thing's for sure. This chainsaw's getting a little bloody. What's that? Machine gun rounds. I don't think we actually need them, but hey, if you want us to have more fun with the machine gun, don't mind if I do. Alright, so we came from this way, right? Yes, we did. We got a shovel, we got that.
Fuck you.
Do you have anything left, Bob? Why are you running? You know what, now I'm going to rock the chainsaw for a little bit because I barely used it. Oh, so delicious. I mean, come on. How can you not be appetized by just doing that? Let's see what else. Ooh, we got more Molotovs. We got some more food. They really don't want us dying. What is that? Oh, that's one of them peace pipes that we just swung off with our straight edge lifestyle now. Let's see. The simplex. Off the boat. Hope that tickled. I heard it's just like a prostate exam. Whoa. He just kind of flew apart. That's pretty badass, if I must say so myself. Who's trying to fight me right now? Come on, let me up there.
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. Totally radically badass, brother man, bro. So then I tells him, you're an idiot, and he tells me, you right.
Man, I'm starving.
So it looks like we're supposed to get food. However, at this point, I'm having too much fun just going through my business of killing people to really be worried about food, because I ate in real life. Had some nice burgers, and don't know what I'm doing for dinner, but you know what? That doesn't matter right now, does it? Actually, hypothetically, do we even have the map anymore? Also, let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. Hypothetically speaking, do we have a map? No, we just have a criminal record, so we don't even know where we're supposed to. So I mean, like, hypothetically,
Definitely need more of that.
why did that not just like solve our issue? You know, like it makes no sense. You gotta explain yourself a little bit. Wait a minute. Can we dual wield chainsaws? It's weird.
That Viagra shit works.
Let's see. Doggy treats. I feel like that's where we're supposed to go, so we're not gonna go there yet. Aha! Ooh, 2 for 1. Talk about sexy combo. Is this where we... This is where we were going. So overall, we're getting the right... Ah, shit.
I feel a particular need for some really crappy Chinese takeout.
So I'm guessing that's where we need to go. However, that's not going to be it yet. We're almost out of chainsaw fuel, but you know what? That's okay. We can switch to something else. We got more than enough to satisfy our inner childhood dream of being a mass sociopath. I mean, I probably could platform walk, but it doesn't really lead anywhere, so I'm not going to worry about trying. Hi! Hutton Gibson, Gibby Gook. Cannot deny that we are the most powerful Saiyan of all time. That's probably where we're supposed to go, so let's not do that yet. The greasy panel, what a name. Hey! There we go, Gary. Now you're getting with the program. Did you just piss and shit yourself? Disgusting world, man. I'm starving. Let's see, so, I don't know. Have I been missing the entire point of this game by not doing this the entire time? People who played Postal before, let me know.
Just call me Ginzu.
I was just trying to chop off a leg, to be honest. One arm, one leg, that's a, you know, homeless hamburger. The end is near, God bless. Oh, we got some armor, that's pretty sweet. Sweet, dude. Oh, we missed someone. Now, we have to be inclusive, we have to make sure everyone feels welcome. So... What? Damn. Not what I wanted.
I think I need a drink before breakfast.
I'm never shopping here again.
Oh, that's a shame. I'm guessing this chainsaw's pretty loud, so can't hear the amazing voice acting. Whoa, who's that beauty? Where are we getting? Came from the street, brother. Let's go. Beef comes from England. Ooh, that must be some low quality.
Zombies.
Huh.
Take that, mad cow infected zombie biatch! Yeah, holy shit!
Oh, yeah.
It's still coming! Mommy! Eat this, you fuzz accumulating turd ball!
So that's our way of showing us how to kill it. Okay.
Hey man, it's the heads. You gotta trash their heads.
Hey, you're right! It's all about the heads!
It's all about the head. Hey, hey. All about the head. Hey, hey. All about the head. Can't run up to me like that, bitch.
Oh, my nads.
Alright, and then we got this into the air. I more want to see what we missed up here, because clearly there was something. So let me do that for. I hear gunshots, so clearly some people are looking to hang out. Let's see. What about you? This guy's gone? This isn't happening. What isn't? What is or is not happening, my fellow man? Like, come on, you gotta be a bit more sensitive. Oh, I guess I could have done that the entire time. What about if we just toss a grenade down there? So that has not been working. So we need the chainsaw. And my favorite weapon, the sledgehammer. Don't worry, I got you, buddy. Buddy, don't worry, I got you. Oh, shit.
Don't need sharpening.
What are you looking at? I mean, we can't have this spreading, you know? So if I'm the savior of the masses, I'm gonna do what I have to do, you know? And it can't be biased about it. Ah, shit.
Oh, yeah.
Let's see.
I gotta find more of that good stuff.
There we go. Let's see. Also, that's
the ticket.
Let's see. Come on. Are you fucking kidding me? I do hate that napalm strike. It is very useless in my opinion. Alright, and now that we did lose a bit of progress, so let me... Come on. Alright, well, it looks like we're gonna have to kill more people again.
That's the stuff.
Or are we? You know what? Let's see, can they get infected? Let's test that theory. Because I think it would be interesting to see them get infected. Also, I want to know what the guy up there was trying to do.
You bitch! Shit! You bitch!
Come on, Gary. We're just playing a game as a whole. Ow.
You know, I'm really amazingly hungry right now.
Alright, I got you. I got you.
CT rocket activated.
I mean, you wanted to start shit. I was just minding my own damn business. We got barrels. We got barrels and barrels of fun. Oh man, do we know what it's like to run. Full ammo. Alright. And now that we know exactly what to do, we are going to save. Because worst comes worse, if people want to see me kill everybody, I can go ahead and do that quite easily. Can I skip this cutscene though? Does not look like I can currently go ahead and skip this cutscene, which is kind of frustrating.
I think I need a drink before breakfast.
I'm never shopping here again.
I wonder why they would never shop here. Is it... Also, I like how there's still the whole thing of Chinese and COVID, where it's like, this is a Chinese place and they're zombies. So, no matter where you go, it's always going to be political. No matter what you try and do, it's always political. So, don't go ahead, don't try to fight anymore, just give in.
Oh, I suppose you want some food now too. Jesus, where do you fucking people come from?
Yeah. Come on. Can I not?
Yeah, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Rat shit, poo balls. You want some motherfucking cheese on that shit nose?
Yeah, so I've been trying to figure out what I'm doing next, because the one game that I was planning on doing, Outriders, is not on discount at the time of recording, so I don't know if I'm going to be doing that next. For the Thursday play, well, I guess it wouldn't be next, it would be what is currently coming out for everybody. Yeah, I don't know, there's a handful of games I'm considering.
Oh shit, mad cow Tourette zombies.
I do have, like, a list, so I'm not really worried about that.
Mad cow infected zombie biatch. Yeah.
And then there are some games that are like kind of like more in the indie realm. Like I don't know if you guys have followed the channel Beta Gamer. He or she, I don't know who, covers a lot of like indie games and kind of like demos. I might do the ones I'm interested in, just to go ahead and like, you know, feel like I'm doing my part in a game dev. Hey, someone. So. Oh. Nice. What's back here? Anything good? Still freaking gassy. There's not even money back here. Are you kidding me? Oh. And if it hits them, it doesn't do anything. Well, wait. Come on. Alright, I got you. There we go. We got 4 Emp only. Emperor Lemon only. If you guys grew up back when we used to do this whole shtick, which you know what I'm talking about, props to you for being old. Otherwise, you're too young, you child. And I don't associate with children. Uh-oh, zombie. Let's see. Oh. Can't keep jump scaring me like that, okay? We're gonna eradicate all these zombies. Oh, there's a bathroom. Let's see. I'm so scared. I don't even know what to do. Wait a minute. There was a zombie back here, wasn't there? No? Guess not. But there's more zombies. Remember, I'm not biased at all. I'm just doing what I'm on this earth to do. And that's to chainsaw some fucking zombies. And some regular
Yeah.
Let's see. Did I miss a zombie here? I did miss some food, and that's more important, arguably. No geometry there, that's sick. Nothing here. So it looks like we're missing one whole zomboid. Shout out to Project Zomboid. I actually never played it, but I heard that was decent for what it was. Are we full Molotovs now? I guess I got that. Alright, let's see where we're going now. Because we got one more zombie. Cool. Oh, it's the military. Are they killing everybody?
Son, I like your style. How'd you like to be the new municipal Mad Cow relocation engineer?
I don't know what that means.
Well, I am in between careers at the moment.
Okay, so I'm guessing that's the end of Saturday? You want a farm junkyard,
Now
dude?
pay close attention, son.
So,
We found that the most effective and entertaining way to dispatch a cow is with this here government-approved sledgehammer.
now you're speaking my language.
Any questions? Okay, go.
Alright. That's all you need to tell me.